Allison, practicing in her bed. Hey girl, Allison. She's practicing in her bed. She won't sleep in her bed, but she loves to practice. Yeah, she's practicing in her bed. She's doing a good job. Maybe she'll sleep in there some night soon. What do you think? What do you think? Are you going to sleep in there some night soon? Huh? Or are you going to sleep in your bouncy seat? Papa does that much better. Not Papa, Grampy. Grampy's the one that does that. Huh. Grampy makes you laugh hard when he does that. Huh. Yes, sir. You love your bed. She loves it. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.